Hello, moneymakers. There's a wild trend blowing up the internet right now, and yes, it's AI powered. People are raking in insane views and money. I'm talking about 41 million views on a single video. Sounds crazy? It's 100% real. As always, I'm here to spill the secrets of this niche, the kind no one else is telling you about. This brand new trend is called point of view videos, also known as POV videos. In this niche, you wake up in the past, in a specific moment of history, and share the daily life of that era, scene by scene. Think of it like this. You wake up as a pyramid builder in ancient Egypt. Your back hurts already. You're the captain of the Titanic. Or you wake up in North Korea. Now check out this YouTube channel called Historian AI. It's just 1 month old, and boom, one of their videos already hit 4.5 million views. And it's not just YouTube, the same trend is popping off on Instagram too. There's a page called A Look Back into History that's gained hundreds of thousands of followers just by posting these immersive time travel clips. So I asked myself, why are people binge watching these videos like they're chocolate chip cookies? And I found 3 powerful reasons: storytelling, immersion, and curiosity. These videos make you feel like you're in a time machine, actually living that moment in history. It's nostalgic, fascinating, and honestly, kind of addictive. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create viral POV content in this niche with the help of AI, and I will also share some secret tools that will blow your mind. So grab a slice of pizza, maybe even a margarita, and watch this video till the end. Let's get started. Before we jump in, I just wanted to let you know, I've started a school community where I'll be teaching how to make money online using AI. We'll also have 2 live calls every week where you can ask your questions, and I'll personally teach you YouTube automation. And if you don't have time to create content yourself but have a budget to outsource, you can work with my team, the same team behind AI Maskman. We handle the entire process for your YouTube channel, start to finish. You can find the link to join the school community in the description. And if you're interested in the done-for-you service, you can also book a free call with me through the link below. Alright, the first step is to find viral video ideas, and you should not pick random topics. To help you with that, I'm going to share 3 easy methods to find viral video ideas. Let's begin with the first one. This method will help you find viral ideas consistently. Make sure you watch this video till the end, because if you skip, you might miss some really important tips. So, the first source to find viral video ideas is ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT to generate completely new and original ideas from scratch. How do you do that? Let me show you. It's actually super simple. As always, your AI Maskman has already prepared an amazing prompt for you. You can get it by joining the Telegram channel linked in the description below. Just join the group, copy the prompt from there, and paste it into ChatGPT. And boom, ChatGPT will give you viral POV video ideas in just a few seconds. You can use this prompt to generate as many viral ideas as you want. Now let's move on to the second method. Take ideas that are already working and add your own twist to them. For example, if a video titled "You Wake Up as a North Korean" is going viral, you can take that concept and create something similar with a new angle. Your job is to find videos that have already gone viral, then create fresh versions of those ideas, maybe set in a different time period or with a new storyline. And I know, not everyone has a super creative mind all the time. But no worries, that's what ChatGPT is here for. Just go back to ChatGPT and type this prompt. Analyze this viral historical POV video, then paste the title or link of a viral video. Next, ask, based on this format, create 10 fresh but similar video ideas using the same storytelling style. Explore different time periods, historical figures, or professions. And boom, ChatGPT will give you unique video ideas that follow the same viral structure. Just look at the topics. It instantly builds curiosity and makes people want to watch. Right? And by using this method, you can go viral much faster. Because you're creating videos on topics that people already love and are engaging with. It gives you endless viral ideas in just a few clicks. Now let's move to the third method. You need to make videos on topics that trigger strong emotions in people, whether it's fear, awe, sadness, or even wonder. Because the more emotional the topic is, the higher the chances your video will go viral. For example, a video where you're the only soldier left during World War II. or a story where you wake up in heaven. These kinds of emotional hooks make viewers stop scrolling and start watching. Even topics like, "You wake up as a billionaire's wife," trigger strong emotions. And that's why they have a higher chance of going viral. And yes, you can generate these kinds of ideas using ChatGPT too. All you have to do is type this prompt. Create 10 viral YouTube Shorts ideas for an AI-generated POV video. I'll also add this prompt to my Google Doc, which you can get by joining the Telegram channel linked in the description below. Once you give ChatGPT this prompt, it will generate 10 emotional, attention-grabbing titles for you. For example, "You wake up buried alive with a working phone and 2% battery." Crazy, right? Using this method, you can create as many emotional POV topics as you want. So just use these 3 methods, and you'll never run out of viral POV video ideas. But before you pick your final topic, make sure to check these 3 things. First, does the title instantly create curiosity in the viewer's mind? Second, does your topic show something people have never experienced before? For example, POV, "You wake up in heaven." Topics like these give your audience a completely different feeling, something they've never felt in real life. Third, does your video make your audience feel immersed in the moment? Will they feel like they're actually living that experience while watching it? If your video idea checks all 3 boxes, curiosity, unusual or never-before-experienced concept, immersive storytelling, then the chances of your video going viral increase a lot. So that's how you should choose topics for your viral POV videos. Alright, now that we've found the idea, let's talk about how to create the scenes for it. But wait. Did you know your AI Maskman works day and night just to find the best niches and strategies for you? So come on, won't you show some love and like and subscribe to this video? Okay, once you've picked your topic, the next step is to create the scenes. Here's the format you need to follow. First scene, show the wake-up moment. This is super important because the first few seconds decide if people will keep watching. So you've got to make this part really strong, and I'll show you how in the next section. After that, show the character's whole day. If your video is about a worker, then show how they wake up, where they eat breakfast, how they go to work, what their workplace looks like, and finally, how their day ends when they go to sleep. And don't worry, you won't have to do all this manually. Just copy the special prompt I've added in my Google Doc, linked in the Telegram channel. Paste your topic into it and give it to ChatGPT. Boom! ChatGPT will give you a full breakdown of all the scenes. You can also use a bit of your own creativity to come up with scenes, but make sure they're not boring or repetitive. Try to add unique and even struggling moments in your story, something that hooks people emotionally or makes them curious. Alright, now let's move on to the next step. And hey, if you're serious about mastering AI content creation, join my school community where we dive even deeper with tutorials, tools, and personal feedback. We connect twice a week, and you'll get full access to all my YouTube courses too. Now the next step is creating stunning and cinematic images for your scenes. These images should look so real that viewers actually feel like they're inside the story. To achieve that, there are a few key things you need to keep in mind while generating the images. First, always use a first-person perspective. This makes the viewer feel like they are the one living the moment. Second, your visuals should look hyper-realistic and cinematic. To get that effect, use words like hyper-realistic, photorealistic, ultra-detailed, and 8K resolution while generating the images. These keywords will help the AI create lifelike, visually stunning results. Third, make sure to add era-specific details that match the time period of your video. For example, add lighting styles like candlelight, gas lamp, or torch glow. Use materials such as wool coats, iron tools, wooden houses, and leather boots. So if you're creating a video about ancient times, like a worker building the pyramids, make sure to include elements like pyramid structures, ancient clothing, and tools from that era. These small details will make your story feel real, immersive, and unforgettable. And the best part? You don't have to do all this manually. I've already prepared the perfect prompt for you. Just give that prompt to ChatGPT, and it will generate image prompts for each scene automatically. Still, Make sure to review each prompt, and if you feel something's missing, you can easily add your own details to improve it. Once you've got your prompts, it's time to generate the images. You can use free tools like Midjourney and Pixelman AI. Both give great results, and you can try them out to see which works best for you. All you have to do is copy the prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Pixelman, select the 9:16 ratio, choose the flux model, and boom, you'll get 2 amazing images for each scene. You can also use Leonardo AI for image generation, and if you're using ChatGPT Plus, you can generate images right inside ChatGPT 2, which often gives the most accurate result for your prompt. Alright, once your images are ready, it's time to bring them to life. Yes, we're talking about animation. For that, you can use 2 tools, Runway ML and Haluo AI. In Runway ML, upload your image and generate the video without entering a prompt. Why? Because sometimes when you give a prompt, the AI misunderstands it. Right now, I'm also creating my videos this way, and within a few minutes, it gives you smooth animations. If you're not happy with the result, you can always regenerate it. You can also use Haluo AI. It lets you generate 3 free videos per day. So this is how you can convert your images into animated videos quickly and easily, and that's it. Our videos are ready. Now it's time to merge them together, and for that, I'll be using the CapCut desktop app. You can use any editing tool you're comfortable with, but I'll walk you through how I do it in CapCut. First, open CapCut and import all your video clips. Then start adding them scene by scene in the correct order. Next, set your project to the 9:16 ratio, since we're making vertical videos for shorts or reels. Now adjust each clip to fit properly in this format. If any scene feels too slow or too fast, you can easily change the speed right inside CapCut. Once all the video clips are in place, it's time to work on the audio. Go to the Audio tab and add sound effects that match your scenes. For example, in the first scene, I'll add a yawning sound. If you don't find the sound in CapCut's audio library, you can download it for free from Pixabay. Search and download sound effects based on your scenes, then import and place them in CapCut accordingly. Also, adjust the volume of each effect so nothing feels too loud or too soft. After that, add a soft background music track, but make sure to keep its volume very low, just enough to set the mood. Finally, go to the Transitions tab. Add smooth transitions between each scene like mix, black fade, or similar ones. At the very start, when the character wakes up, I like to use an eye blink transition to make it feel more realistic. Now for the final touches. You need to add a 1-line description for each scene using text boxes. In the first scene, make sure to write POV, followed by your video's title. Then go to the Effects section and choose the one you like. Copy the text box you created, paste it onto the next scene, and just update the description for that part. Do this for every scene, so your audience knows what's happening at each moment. You can also try out some visual effects to enhance the video. At the start, I like to add a blur effect right up to the point where the eye blink transition appears. After that, I apply the Glow 2 effect throughout the entire video for a smooth, cinematic touch. And that's it. Your video is ready. Just hit export and upload it to your channel. That's how you create viral POV videos step by step. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel before you go. Thanks for watching. Now let's check out the demo video.